Hello. How are you all doing? Welcome to a new robot class. Today, we'll be wrapping up the virtualization module with a small bot made using virtualization. For virtualization, let's say, alright, in this bot, what we're basically going to do is get the temperature of Buenos Aires, the temperature and the weather condition in Buenos Aires using the weather app we have here, the weather. This is a Microsoft application, and as you can see, it's completely dynamic. All these values will keep changing dynamically, and even so, we'll still be able to get the information we're looking for. Alright, so let's go through it step by step. Here, it performs the search, enters the search in this section, and specifically enters the name of the application. Notice that before, we had done it like in the previous examples, running the application from the .exe file. Now, what we do is search for that application and click the button, as if we were doing this, for example, and clicking here. With that, the application opens and then it waits for the object, then waits for the image in order to perform the necessary validations. In this case, we use inverse validations, as you might remember from the Level 1 course, where if it finds the word false, what it has to do is stop everything and exit, and then it extracts the OCR with the temperature that I want to obtain based on this reference, and saves it in the variable tiempo, time. And the same goes for the condition section, and it saves it in this condition variable. And here, then an alert that, notice, in the city of Buenos Aires we have a temperature of with clear skies. There we'll see that when we run the application, we'll get the result. Alright, let's run it and see how it works. Okay, it opens the browser, enters the word, the weather, that makes the application open, and then it will look for the information and we'll get it. In the city of Buenos Aires, we have a TEM information gathered correctly. Alright, this has been an example of virtualization, of how we can achieve virtualization and get the information we want. Okay, see you next class. See you later.